Power, strength, and discipline can help you so much in life. But these aren't enough. As true men, we need more than just muscles and an alter ego mindset. We need 8 skills in life that I will be sharing with you. So listen up, mortals. And if you still think you need more lessons, subscribe to this channel. Now then, let's begin. Mastering basic fighting for self-defense. Gone are the days of fighting in the jungle. But in a concrete jungle, one must be prepared for defense or offense. Mastering basic fighting for self-defense is one of the essential skills that every man should possess. In a world where danger lurks around every corner, one must be able to defend himself and those he cares for. It's not just about being physically strong. It's about understanding the principles of combat and how to apply them effectively. Learning to fight can instill a sense of discipline, focus, and confidence that can carry over into every aspect of a man's life. Whether you're walking down a dark alley or facing a physical altercation, knowing how to defend yourself can mean the difference between life and death. It's a skill that every man should prioritize and take seriously. This is not just a skill, it's a way of life. It's about being prepared for any situation and having the confidence to face any challenge head on. If you're a man looking to strengthen yourself both physically and mentally, I implore you to invest in this vital skill. 2. Leadership. As the Prince of all Saiyans, I know a thing or two about leadership. It's not just about being in charge, it's about inspiring and motivating others to follow you toward a common goal. Every man needs this skill in life, whether leading a team on the battlefield or in the boardroom. To be a leader, you need the confidence to make tough decisions, the vision to see the bigger picture, and the ability to communicate your ideas clearly and persuasively. It's not just about being the boss though, it's about being a role model and setting an example for other people. Leadership isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. It's about taking responsibility for your actions and the actions of those around you. It's about leading by example and showing other people what it means to be a true leader. So mortals, if you want to succeed in life, whether in business or battle, you must develop your leadership skills. It's not an easy path, but it's worth taking. As a saying, I know that the strongest leaders are the ones who lead with both their heads and their hearts. And that's the kind of leader every man should aspire to be. 3. Strong presence. Ever wonder why betas steer clear when an alpha enters the room? It's because the alpha exudes a strong presence that commands respect. Having a strong presence is not just about physical strength. It's about projecting confidence and power in everything you do. In life, every man needs this skill to command respect and authority. A strong presence can make all the difference in the workplace or in personal relationships. A man with a strong presence exudes leadership, and people naturally gravitate towards him. It's not about being loud or aggressive. It's about being self-assured and assertive. When you have a strong presence, people listen to what you have to say and take you seriously. It takes practice, but with time and effort, you can master this essential skill. Remember, as a man, you are the captain of your own ship, and having a strong presence will help you navigate the rough waters of life with confidence and ease. 4. Never overreact and keep your cool. True strength does not come from your muscles, but from your mind. An alpha male will always keep his composure even when a loudmouth tries to get the best of him. Even when the ladies are trying to start drama, this man will keep cool instead of lashing out and overreacting. You're not a man-child. In life you will face many challenges and people will induce you to react however they want. These beta men would want a reaction out of you. But in such situations, it's always best to take a step back, think, analyze the situation, then answer or move on composedly. When facing the toughest of opponents, it's easy to let your emotions get the best of you. But reacting impulsively is a surefire way to guarantee defeat. Overreacting may give you a temporary burst in strength, but it quickly fades, leaving you vulnerable. Staying calm and collected, on the other hand, allows you to think clearly and strategically, gives you the upper hand in any situation. 5. Always have a plan. Whether you're facing a tough opponent on the battlefield or navigating the ups and downs of life, always remember to have a plan. It's the mark of a true man and will set you apart from the rest. I have always believed that having a plan is crucial to victory. A man who can think on his feet and adapt to changing circumstances is a man who will always come out on top. In my experience, having a plan isn't just about being organized. It's about being confident in yourself and your abilities. When you have a plan, you know what you're going to do and how you're going to get there. You have a sense of purpose and direction that can be shaken by outside forces. But having a plan doesn't mean you can't be flexible. Sometimes, things don't go according to plan, and that's when a man needs to be able to adjust and improvise. The key is to have a strong foundation to build on, so that even when the unexpected happens, you can stay focused and on course. 6. Learn to manage stress. As men, we can often carry the weight of the world on our shoulders. We must provide for our families, protect our loved ones, and face challenges head on. But if we don't learn how to manage stress, we'll burn out and fail. I used to believe the stress was a sign of weakness and that it was best to push through it. But as I've gotten older, I've learned that this mindset only leads to burnout, and poor decision making is a skill every man needs in his life. It's not just about relaxation techniques or taking breaks. It's about understanding your own limits and finding healthy ways to cope with pressure. For me, training and meditation have been invaluable tools in managing stress, but it's also important to seek support from loved ones and to prioritize self-care. Finance. As I matured and became more responsible, I realized that managing my finances was just as important. It takes a strong man to admit his weaknesses and seek out knowledge in areas he may not be naturally gifted in. Learning how to manage my finances has been challenging but rewarding as well. I've had to educate myself on the complexities of the stock market, budgeting, and saving for the future. And the feeling of being in control of my own finances is empowering. And it allows me to focus on more important aspects of my life, such as family and training. As men, we are often taught to prioritize strength and power over financial knowledge. But the truth is, being financially literate is a crucial skill every man needs to succeed in life. Take charge of your life. In life, you can be a spectator or a participant, and I choose to be the latter. Learning to take charge isn't just about making decisions. It's also about being accountable for them, because you're at the mercy of others without it. You're just a puppet on a string controlled by someone else's will. Taking charge means having the confidence to make tough decisions and stand by them. And if they're unpopular, it means taking responsibility for your mistakes and learning from them instead of blaming other people or making excuses. It's a skill that every man needs in all aspects of life, from relationships to careers. It's about being a leader, not a follower. So what will it be, mortals? Care to learn all these skills or be at the mercy of others? Tell me. Now get back to work. Yeah, Uncle Cheat's in the house. God damn you, Kakarot. Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti is nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over.